who took out time from their busy schedule on National Technology Day.
It was a pleasure to see you here while sharing your knowledge and experience. Now, this is the time for panel discussion, open house. If you have any questions, you can ask.
Last but not the least, we would like to thank each and every one of you who attended this event and made it a more memorable one. We hope to see you all again in the future and continue to strengthen our bond as a family.
I would like to invite all the dignitaries and the alumni members, please come for the photo session.
ठीक है, तो कोई भी टेक्नोलॉजी छोटी बड़ी नहीं है, सब में आप इक्वली अर्निंग अपनी कर सकते हो। आप अगर इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी सोच रहे हो, लेकिन इन टर्म्स ऑफ पैशन सोच रहे हो तो जैसे हमारे फाउंडर ने अपना स्टार्टअप कर लिया, उन्होंने भी ये नहीं सोचा कि हमें जॉब करनी है कि नहीं। बेसिक सी प्रॉब्लम थी कि कार्बन फुटप्रिंट कम करना है और हमें मतलब जो लोकल में डिलीवरी है उसको विद इन स्पैन ऑफ टाइम। अब ज़ोमैटो आपको कमिट करते हैं, ब्लिंकिट कमिट करते हैं 10 मिनट डिलीवरी, वो तो नहीं करता, वो करता है जिबल इलेक्ट्रिक वाला। वो कैसे करता है 10 मिनट में? वो ट्रैवलिंग सेल्समैन प्रॉब्लम वाला सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करता है। तो आपको रियल टाइम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए टेक्नोलॉजी हेल्प कर सकता है, लेकिन बेसिक्स चीजें हैं जिनके बेसिस पे आप उसको बिल्डअप करते हो। तो एआई का जो है डिटेल में कुछ अपना इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए कुछ मॉडल ट्रेन करो, मतलब जो इंटरेस्ट है वो थोड़ा पैशनेटली करो, और हेल्प चाहिए तो कर लोगे।
So both the fields, data analyst and both are common.
Hello.
Hello. I'm not very used to it, sorry. So data analyst, cybersecurity. These both fields are very good fields that you have chosen, and they have a major impact on each and every IT industry. Because data is very sensitive. Any organization believes on its data, it lives on its data. If its data is not correct, okay, and they are not able to, as I gave the example, right, prediction of fraud. If we are not able to use the data for our betterment, there's no use of it. That's what a data analyst do. They write multiple algorithms to get the information from the data so that management can take informed decisions, educated decisions. For taking these decisions, you need to have accurate data. So this data analyst job is very important and it's very critical. There are very less chances of error in this because
and good afternoon all, and thank you for the IPM team, 𝓜𝓸𝓻𝓮 ma'am and all the staff those arranged this session, and it's a really honor for me standing in front of you where I was sitting as a student a couple of years ago. So really it's an honor for me, and thank you for that. So before introducing myself, so please give a huge round of applause to the IPM team. And now for you, because it's been like without you this session was not complete. So please give a huge round of applause. So I am Amit Sharma. So like I was student of 2002-2005 MCA batch here, and and currently I am working with TCS. I joined TCS 2 years back. Before that I was in R Systems International Limited. So my expertise in hands-on technologies like .NET, .NET Core, Azure, and like I have also worked on the front end technologies React and Angular. So any of you, if you need some help in these technologies, so you can reach out to me. I'll share my email ID to you, and also given that I did to that college as well. So you can reach out to me anytime. And we were also discussing about the mentorship program. So that's a great idea to to have it continue in future definitely, and it will be help you out definitely. So all of you are MCA students. Okay. Yeah. So that's our my brief introduction, and we are here to discuss about the artificial intelligence. I'm not expert in that, but yeah, whatever knowledge I have in artificial intelligence, so I'll share with you. So and if there will be anything for me to ask anytime, right? So just raise your hand if there will be anything. Okay, so
any opportunity that comes to you, just grab it, because the world is very competitive nowadays. So believe me, in corporate people are fighting to grab the opportunity. Beyond that, they are fighting to showcase that they have done something. Whether they have done or not is a different thing, but it is a fight to show that okay, this is done by me. So that is what proactiveness. Okay, that is also something that you should learn. Proactiveness. Don't wait for something to happen and then do. Instead, do it in advance. Okay, that is my mantra for you guys. So be proactive and grab the opportunities. Okay, just like the topic that we have here today, okay, the artificial intelligence, the impact of artificial intelligence in business operations. So what are business operations? The different areas in which business operate. For example, the different departments of college. I will just take an example. So there are different departments in college. Similarly, there are different areas in business as well. Okay, procurement, manufacturing, marketing, supply chain, HR. So these are different areas which are there for any business. Okay. So artificial intelligence, as I have also said, is a very broad term. Okay. There are so many things in AI. Artificial intelligence, then we have deep learning, then we have machine learning. Recently, I'm very happy to see a lot of you here. I think you are very much concerned, and you're taking a step ahead for your betterment only. You could have chosen to not to come here on Saturday, or maybe you could have chosen to stay at your home, but you came here because you want to do something in your life. You want to understand what is next in your career. I'm also happy to see old faces like Amit sir. So when we were there, okay, so just a correction. I studied here in BCE and MCA both. So I joined this college in 2001 in BCE and then 2004 in MCA. So I have spent a very long time here. A lot of memories here. Fortunately, my wife also was there, my batchmate. So now we are soulmate. Unfortunately, she's not here today. She's at home. She's taking care of kids. Alright. So coming to my journey. Coming to my journey, how it started. I was very lucky, I won't say touch wood. I had my first offer letter on the final day of MCA here, yes. So it was a Viva, MCA Viva, that is final. It was on July 4th, 2007. And on the same day, I got the offer letter. So a small company which it's closed now. So audio software solutions. So we got an offer letter from there. So I was lucky enough to get the campus placement from this very college. Probably the first one, I would say. So that was my first step in my professional career. There are different things that you should consider as Amit Bhaiya, because we are used to it. He mentioned a couple of things which are very important, like never say no to an assignment, especially when you are in the initial phase of your career. Okay. It's just like a kid. When a kid is small, it is up to the guardians to mold him. Okay, and there are different situations that are present in front of that kid. So if you say, okay, मैं दाल नहीं खाऊंगा, मैं सिर्फ चावल खाऊंगा, right? That type of thing. So it is not going to help you. So in the initial stages of your career, you take all the opportunity that comes to your hand.
सर मैं जावा कर रहा हूँ और मेरे जावा में सर जैसे 10th पास सर जावा की सर क्या बोलते जाना चाहिए ऐसा प्रेशर कि मुझे स्ट्रिंग रूट करना चाहिए।
जैसे अभी तक भी सब्जेक्ट कोई बताया है कि आप एज ए फ्रेशर जब मार्केट में जाते हो कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जब भी कैंपस से प्लेसमेंट होता है कैंपस से आती है फ्रेशर्स तो कभी भी टेक्नोलॉजी बाउंड नहीं करते हैं। वो ये नहीं कहते मुझे जावा के बंदे चाहिए .NET के चाहिए। हमेशा आप देखोगे जब 3+ हो जाओगे 1.5 साल का 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है तब वो कंसिडर करते हैं कि आपको .NET आना चाहिए या आपको जावा आना चाहिए, जावा में आपके पास PHP होनी चाहिए, आप उसकी मास्टरी होनी चाहिए। तो जब आप फ्रेशर करते हो तो आपको बेसिक नॉलेज जो होना चाहिए वो आपके पास होना चाहिए, एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए आपके पास काम करने के लिए। तो वो चीज़ें आपके पास होनी चाहिए। आप इतना इधर उधर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। वो आपका इंटरेस्ट है कि आप जब आपका मेन मोटिव होना चाहिए पहले आप एक इंडस्ट्री में एंटर करें। एंटर जब आप करोगे उसके बाद आप वहाँ बताइए कि मेरा इंटरेस्ट इसमें है, मैं इसमें एक्सपीरियंस है मेरा, मैं ये चीज़ें करके आता हूँ। तब वो आपको काउंट करेंगे, तब आपको अलाइन करेंगे किसी स्पेसिफिक उस टेक्नोलॉजी के लिए प्रेजेंट के लिए। लेकिन जब आप फ्रेशर जाते हैं आप ऐसे कंफ्यूज ना रहे, आप सिर्फ अपने बेसिक्स और फोकस करें।
हम लोग जो आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे वो थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज होगी ज़्यादातर, लेकिन यहाँ से आपको प्रैक्टिकल इनपुट्स मिलेंगे जो आपको अपने करियर बनाने में हेल्प करेंगे। तो ये कॉर्पोरेट मेंटरशिप का प्रोग्राम ने स्टार्ट किया है और आज ये बहुत अच्छा मौका है हम लोगों के लिए। इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ प्राइड दैट वी हैव 3 alumni with us, senior alumni who are working in senior positions in the organizations, and they have signed this corporate mentorship concept note, and we are thankful to them for their cooperation and support, and we feel that this concept will go a long way in developing our association with the industry as well as providing you people the right guidance and the right direction. Under the leadership of our director ma'am, we have started the concept now for corporate mentorship program. Corporate mentorship, as you have been the mentors in your classes also, आप सभी के mentors होंगे, faculty mentors, आपको lot will know. They are their academic mentors. We are the people who are providing the mentorship. This is corporate mentorship for people who are working in the corporate. Most of our alumni are at senior positions now, so they can also be a corporate mentor. Apart from the alumni, some people who are working in the industry, and we have a strong connection with the industry also, so they can also be a part of this. तो ये जो corporate mentors हैं, ये आपको गाइडेंस प्रोवाइड करेंगे, मेंटरशिप प्रोवाइड करेंगे, काउंसलिंग प्रोवाइड करेंगे, और हर एक मेंटर के अंदर में 2 से 3-4 स्टूडेंट्स होंगे। अब वो स्टूडेंट्स उन मेंटर्स के साथ टाइम लेके रेगुलरली इंटरेक्ट करेंगे, टेलीफोनिकली चैट कर सकते हैं, मिल भी सकते हैं वीकेंड में, सैटरडे